Hello guys, today I will show you how to make one of the coolest boomerang paper plane ever, the Psychotic Cyclone. So let's start now. To make the Psychotic Cyclone you need a printer paper. I'm using letter size, so if you have A4 paper you can try it out, or you can follow a link on my description to print out and trim it to letter size. So first step, I will fold the paper in half like this. Right. Next step, I will start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. This is real easy. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Right. Start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Next, I start from this edge, I fold it to the center crease again. So okay, and then I will repeat the same step for the other side, but I will turn the paper this way so this will be easier to fold. Alright, and then next I will start from the tip here, I fold it to the bottom part here, and I use the center crease here as a reference. Okay, just turn the paper this way so it's easier for you to fold, like this. Okay, now we have a crease. Then I will start from the tip here again and then fold to the crease we just made. See that? Perfect, right? Alright, now we have one crease here and one crease here. Right. Next step, I will fold this layer out. I will use the crease here as a reference. You can fold the tip up like this so you can fold this one out easier. When I fold out, I will use this edge and this point as the references to fold. Okay. Just match this edge to this corner. Okay. Remember that you have to stop it at the crease here as well. And guess what? What's next? What do we have to do next? We repeat the same step for the other side, right? Let's just fold this one out. Okay, match this edge to this corner. Very easy. Okay, and next we have a crease here ready, right? Just fold it out like this. Okay, just fold it down like this. Then you remember that we have a crease here already, right? Just fold it in. Then you see the gap between those two layers. Fold this one in to hold the gap together. Here we go. Then fold the paper in half. So that's what you have, right? Then fold the paper in half like this. Okay. Alright. And then you need to fold this part out to create this stable, to create the wings. So when I fold out, I estimate about half an inch from this edge along this edge, and then about 1 inch from this corner along this edge up here. Just fold it down, put it down here, just fold it like this. Okay, and then I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, and then next step, I'll fold this part up to create this stabilizer. And then repeat the same step for the other side. Fold this one up to create a stabilizer. Okay, this is good. The stabilizer should go toward the center a little bit like this, and then you need to curve the end of the wings out to make the planes go back to you. The more you curve it, the more it will fly back, but sometimes you have to adjust it as well. So next step, you need to curve the wings up a little bit. Then when you throw it, hold the plane like this and throw it up at 10 to 30 degrees toward the direction you want to go back to you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the Psychotic Cyclone, and if you think this paper airplane is awesome, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching. See you next time.